Do you believe these shocking myths? Are you unknowingly sabotaging your health? We're talking about two kitchen staples: olive oil and honey. For centuries, they've been hailed as healthy choices. But what if everything you thought you knew was wrong? Recent studies have exposed shocking truths. Myths are spreading like wildfire, creating confusion and fear. Are you at risk? Don't panic. We're here to arm you with the facts. Together, we'll debunk these dangerous myths and empower you to make informed decisions. Your health depends on it. Get ready to be shocked as we delve into the truth about olive oil and honey. Your health is at stake. Stay tuned. Olive oil, a Mediterranean staple, is often touted as a health elixir. But is it all it's cracked up to be? The internet is ablaze with conflicting information, leaving many wondering what to believe. One pervasive myth claims that all olive oils are created equal. This couldn't be further from the truth. The quality and health benefits of olive oil vary drastically depending on factors like production methods and olive varieties. Another misconception centers around cooking with olive oil. Some believe its low smoke point makes it unsuitable for high-heat cooking. We'll expose the truth behind this myth and reveal the best ways to incorporate olive oil into your diet. Get ready to separate fact from fiction as we unravel the mysteries surrounding olive oil. Your health and well-being are on the line. Don't miss it. The smoke point of an oil is the temperature at which it begins to break down and release harmful compounds. Many believe that olive oil's relatively low smoke point makes it unsuitable for high-heat cooking. But here's the truth. Refined olive oil, like those labeled pure or light, actually has a higher smoke point than extra virgin olive oil. This means you can safely use it for sautéing and stir-frying without compromising its health benefits. Extra virgin olive oil, while possessing a lower smoke point, is still perfectly safe for most cooking applications. Simply avoid overheating it and opt for gentler cooking methods like baking or drizzling it over finished dishes. Don't let the smoke point myth scare you away from enjoying the incredible benefits of olive oil. Understanding the different types and their ideal uses empowers you to cook confidently and safely. Navigating the world of olive oil can feel like deciphering a secret code. With terms like extra virgin, virgin, and refined, it's no wonder consumers are often left confused. Extra virgin olive oil sits at the top of the hierarchy. It's cold-pressed, meaning no heat or chemicals are used during extraction, preserving its flavor and nutrients. This is the type you want to reach for when drizzling over salads or dipping bread. Virgin olive oil, while still a healthy choice, undergoes slightly more processing and has a milder flavor. Refined olive oil, on the other hand, is extracted using heat and chemicals, stripping away some of its flavor and nutrients. Remember, not all olive oils are created equal. Understanding the different grades empowers you to choose the best option for your culinary needs and health goals. Section 5. Honey, a wolf in sheep's clothing? Honey, with its golden hue and sweet nectar, has long been revered for its medicinal and culinary uses. But is this viscous liquid really as innocent as it seems? Some experts warn that honey is simply sugar in disguise, contributing to weight gain and health problems, just like refined sugar. They argue that its natural origins don't negate its potential negative impacts on blood sugar levels and overall health. Furthermore, concerns have been raised about the adulteration of honey. Some unscrupulous manufacturers may add high fructose corn syrup or other sweeteners to cut costs, compromising the purity and health benefits of this natural product. The truth about honey is complex. While it does offer some health benefits, it's crucial to consume it in moderation and be mindful of its sugar content. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the sweet truth about honey and its potential impact on your health. Section 6. The sweet truth about honey and weight gain. Honey's reputation as a natural sweetener often leads people to believe it's a guilt-free indulgence. But can this sticky treat sabotage your weight loss goals? Here's the reality. Honey, while containing beneficial antioxidants and enzymes, is still a type of sugar. Consuming excessive amounts can lead to weight gain, just like any other calorie-rich food. However, honey's sweetness can be deceiving. It's actually sweeter than sugar, meaning you may need less to achieve the desired level of sweetness in your food and beverages. Moderation is key when it comes to honey and weight management. Enjoy its unique flavor and potential health benefits, but be mindful of your overall calorie intake and maintain a balanced diet. Section 7. Raw honey versus regular honey. Is one superior? The honey aisle can be a confusing place, with labels touting raw, unfiltered, and organic. But what do these terms really mean? And is one type of honey superior to another? Raw honey is the least processed form, extracted straight from the honeycomb and bottled without any heat or filtration. It retains all of its natural enzymes, antioxidants, and pollen, which are believed to offer additional health benefits. Regular honey, on the other hand, undergoes a heating and filtering process to remove impurities and extend its shelf life. While this process may destroy some of the beneficial compounds, regular honey is still a nutritious choice. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal preferences and intended use. If you're looking for the most natural and nutrient-rich option, raw honey is the way to go. However, both types can be enjoyed as part of a healthy diet. Section 8. Manuka Honey Miracle Cure, or Marketing Hype. Manuka honey, hailing from New Zealand, has taken the health world by storm. Touted for its potent antibacterial properties, it's often marketed as a miracle cure-all. The key to Manuka honey's unique properties lies in its high concentration of methyl glyoxal, a compound with antibacterial and antiviral effects. Studies have shown that Manuka honey can effectively treat wounds, soothe sore throats, and even combat antibiotic-resistant bacteria. However, not all Manuka honey is created equal. Look for the unique Manuka factor, or UMF rating, which indicates the level of methyl glyoxal present. A higher UMF rating signifies a more potent product. While Manuka honey does possess impressive antibacterial properties, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using it medicinally. Additionally, be aware of counterfeit products and purchase from reputable sources. Section 9. Olive oil and honey, the dynamic duo for health. Olive oil and honey, two culinary powerhouses, not only tantalize our taste buds but also offer a myriad of health benefits. When combined, they create a synergistic duo that can boost your well-being. Olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, promotes heart health, reduces inflammation, and supports brain function. Honey, with its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, can soothe coughs, boost immunity, and aid digestion. Together, they create a powerhouse of nutrients that can enhance your overall health and vitality. Drizzle them over salads, incorporate them into marinades, or simply enjoy a spoonful of each for a healthy and delicious treat. Embrace the power of these two natural wonders and experience the transformative effects they can have on your health and well-being. Section 10. Simple tips for choosing high-quality olive oil and honey. Navigating the world of olive oil and honey can be overwhelming, but fear not. These simple tips will empower you to choose high-quality products that deliver on both flavor and health benefits. When selecting olive oil, opt for extra virgin varieties stored in dark glass bottles to protect them from light degradation. Look for harvest dates and choose oils from reputable producers. For honey, choose raw, unfiltered varieties whenever possible to reap the full spectrum of nutrients. Check labels carefully for added sugars or artificial ingredients. Supporting local beekeepers and purchasing honey from farmers markets are great ways to ensure quality and freshness. Remember, knowledge is power. Armed with these simple tips, you can confidently choose the best olive oil and honey to nourish your body and elevate your culinary creations. Section 11. Embrace the truth. Enjoy olive oil and honey wisely. We've journeyed through the myths and realities surrounding olive oil and honey, separating fact from fiction and empowering you to make informed choices. Now it's time to embrace the truth and enjoy these culinary treasures wisely. Remember, not all olive oils are created equal. Choose extra virgin varieties for their superior flavor and health benefits. Don't be afraid to cook with olive oil, but be mindful of smoke points and choose the appropriate type for your culinary needs. While honey offers a range of health benefits, moderation is key. Enjoy its natural sweetness, but be mindful of its sugar content and incorporate it into a balanced diet. Embrace the truth, savor the flavors, and experience the transformative power of olive oil and honey. Your health and well-being will thank you for it.